Hunter Biden's lawyers are resting their case today without testimony from the president's son. Closing arguments are next. Elizabeth Castor has more.
The first of two legal battles for Hunter Biden is coming to a close, but first attorneys have one last chance to make their case. Hunter Biden's defense team wrapping up its case in his federal gun trial after choosing not to call the president's son to the stand. His fate will soon be in the hands of a dozen jurors, but first, prosecutors and defense attorneys are making their final pitches to the panel.
Even if he gets convicted here, he's got a good chance of avoiding a prison sentence. That calculation can change if a defendant takes the stand.
Prosecutors allege Hunter lied on a federal gun form in 2018, saying he was not a drug user. They used witness testimony, text messages, and Hunter's own memoir to show a well-documented history of addiction. Defense attorneys don't deny the first son's substance abuse issues, but argue he did not consider himself an addict when he bought the gun.
There are many people who consider themselves having been addicts, but don't like using that term to describe them. So it is not a very black and white scenario.
First Lady Jill Biden, as well as other members of the Biden family, returned to court Monday to show their support. Analysts say the family's ties to Delaware could play in Hunter's favor during jury deliberations.
He's a popular figure and his family is popular. There's always the possibility that you're going to have somebody who engages on that jury who engages in jury nullification.
Hunter Biden also faces federal tax charges in Los Angeles. That trial begins in September. In Wilmington, Delaware, Rebecca Castor, Fox 32 Chicago.